Hello folks, here we are again for another episode of Cooking with Flat Cap and Lady Fire, or Lady Fire and Flat Cap, because really she's the one that does the cooking and I'm the one that follows instructions. And today we're gonna make monkey bread. I was calling it monkey brains for the longest time, but it's actually monkey bread.
Well, actually, they do call it monkey brain.
Really?
Monkey bread and pull apart bread, something like that.
But it's
there's different names. It tastes delicious no matter how you call it.
But this is our own version. So we're gonna go first through the ingredients. I'm gonna put them on the screen for you guys as always. Let's start with what's in front. Okay.
Yeah, we need 2 of these beautiful. I tried to get the extra large, grand, flaky layers of biscuits.
Okay.
It doesn't matter what brand we pick.
Okay. Well, we got the Pillsbury for now. We're not getting any money from them, but if you just want to pick exactly what we pick, we make it easy.
Okay.
2 of those. Here we have walnuts.
I love walnuts. Those are
So
bad.
those,
Those are great.
yeah. What else do we have? We're gonna use
Half a cup of sugar.
half a cup of white sugar.
2 tablespoonfuls of cinnamon. I love
2
cinnamon.
tablespoons of cinnamon.
Absolutely.
All right.
We already have I already sprayed a bun cake pan. That's the most
So just spray it
recommended
with
to do.
just pan, okay?
Yep, just
Okay.
butter.
And for the syrup, this to make the syrup, we're
This
gonna
is
have
absolutely 1 cup of brown sugar.
Brown sugar.
Light, dark,
Okay.
whatever you want. 1.5 bars of butter.
All right.
Salted.
salted butter.
And I love vanilla.
Vanilla? So this is
Love vanilla.
this is
so
something
1
we're-
tablespoon of vanilla.
This is something we're adding to the normal recipe, right? Okay. Tablespoon of vanilla. This might be the
Those are
secret
gonna be
ingredient.
later. And that's basically it. Not a lot of ingredients and a great tasting recipe at the very end.
You'll see. So let's start with the first thing. We'll peel this off.
Go ahead.
And this is the part that you're very good at.
I really don't like doing this.
You don't like doing it?
Some people are kind of like hit it in the center and it just opens up.
Or-
I always just kind of get a knife.
They say that you do like that.
You're amazing. Thank you so very much. You can go ahead and do the other one too.
Okay.
So what we do with this dough is we get it out of the jar of corn. We don't get it out just yet, my love.
No, okay. No, yeah. Okay.
Not yet. So what we're gonna do is I'm going to use
see if we film.
this right here.
Okay.
Which you can use whatever you want. You have pizza cutter. This is also a pizza cutter, but it's like this way, or a knife, whatever you have available. That'll work. But you're gonna cut it like in 4
Quarters. Okay.
quarters. Yes, absolutely. So I'm just gonna get it out of here.
Okay. And we're gonna use 2 of these.
2 of these.
Wow.
Yes. Yes. And I suggest do it individually. Some people just throw it all in. Not me. I just do a little bit at a time.
Okay.
I don't know because it just sticks together.
Okay.
It sticks. So you can do just half, and then let me put this on the side, and half.
All
And
right.
you know what you can do for me, my love?
Uh-huh.
You can get the sugar and the cinnamon in here and mix it.
Okay. So we're gonna get
Something to mix it with.
sugar,
Put it in there, and the cinnamon.
cinnamon. All right.
That's it.
Mix it together.
That's right.
Whisk it.
That's right. And while he's doing that, I'm just gonna keep doing this.
Oh wow, it's filling the air with stuff.
With cinnamon.
I guess.
Cinnamon yumminess.
Yeah. All right.
It's done? Awesome. So this is what I do. I start cutting it in quarters,
Okay.
like so.
All right.
And this is very easy recipe. You can't mess this up at all.
I might.
No, you won't. You're wonderful. You're gonna do this just great.
Now, should I start putting them in there?
You just need a little bit of training.
Okay, so should
if
I?
you would like, you
Uh-huh.
can go ahead and start coating them individually and then just putting them in here.
So when you mean,
But before you do that part, this is what I suggest. For those of us that love walnuts,
We're gonna
you
stick
can go
that
ahead
in.
and open it and just throw some on the bottom.
all right, as many as I want.
What did you like?
Okay.
You do what you want.
So throw as many walnuts as you like.
You're the boss.
I'm the boss.
Yeah.
As many as you like on this, just to kind of cover the bottom of it. All right, does that look good?
Beautiful.
All right, so I just kind of cover the bottom with it. All right.
Okay. And what we do with all of this, what we already did was get that oven 350 degrees. It started preheating. It's already hot.
Okay,
It's
350.
ready for us, but we're just gonna leave it there.
Okay, 350. All right.
Okay, so you can go ahead and start
So what do
coating
you
them.
what do you mean by coating them? Tell me. So do I-
Coating them means just make
Show me.
sure that
Give me an
every little
example.
every little piece is full of with this sugar beautiful coating right there. So
Okay.
and then you just start putting them there.
Oh,
Okay,
perfect.
that's all you need to do.
So cover them with that.
Yeah, and just put them in here, my love.
Okay.
I'm gonna open the jar so I can start cutting as you're doing that.
So you do that individually. We might edit some of this if it's so that the video is not too long.
I usually sometimes you're so busy doing the Christmas Eve,
Uh-huh.
cooking all that dinner and whatever,
Uh-huh.
you're exhausted, and the very next day you want your family to eat something nice and sweet and spoil them rotten like I like doing.
Uh-huh.
So in the morning, this is fast. So
Okay.
you just make something like this. This could be done for any, for whatever festivity. It could be for you have a party, you have your games going on.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
like, okay, what do I do?
Football
And
season
this-
right now, yeah.
Football season. Men love that. So you can do it for that as well. But usually this is what I do for the day after, or the day of Christmas. So that I don't have that much going on. I don't have that much. This is something special. It tastes delicious.
I can't wait to try it, that's for sure. I made a playlist on the channel for everything that we're doing that has to do with cooking. We made some salmon, we made the Bacardi and coquito.
Coquito.
Yeah,
Mhm.
that was good. What else have we made? What was the other thing that we made there? Oh, we made the Halloween chili. Yeah,
That was good.
that was really good.
That was really good.
We made something else. I forgot. I know we made another thing there. Anyway, you go to the playlist, and if you're interested in some simple recipes,
I try to make them as healthy as possible and as fun as possible. I just love spoiling you guys rotten.
we appreciate it.
I know you do. My food is always gone. Oh my god.
I appreciate trying things that I've never tried before, so that works for me. Now, if they were to use the raisins, which we're not going to use, in what step would have they done the raisins?
I would be putting them as we go, like a little bit
Like
at
in
the
between?
bottom.
Okay.
And then, yeah.
All right. What other things come to your mind that you might add to this monkey bread?
Well, actually, the cinnamon is something people do not actually add to it.
Uh-huh. So this is another thing that you kind of added to the recipe, okay?
Yeah.
So cinnamon and vanilla are two things you kind of did your own, okay?
Yeah. Walnuts is something they don't add. They try to keep it very simple, but I love that nuttiness.
Yes.
I love the that. I love the raisins. Actually, with the raisins, I will actually have them like 30 minutes in water, kind of try to hydrate them back up.
Oh, okay. Well, that's neat. That's a good idea. I've never done that before either, so here, just
And with my rice pudding, I put them in water and let him hydrate a little bit
Oh.
longer. I think we're good here.
maybe that's another one we could try. Anybody like rice pudding?
It's,
I haven't tried your rice pudding, so
no, you have not.
but I'm game for trying stuff.
I know.
Whatever
Okay,
you
so
make.
we're just gonna put this where the holes are. One of the things that I'm going to do, a lot of people don't have that patience, but I do.
What is it? Tell us. We're
you
done
know
with
what?
this?
No, I'm not.
No. Oh.
I'm just gonna put this on top.
Oh, okay.
We're gonna leave this to like about 30 minutes.
Okay.
Just gonna leave them there. I like them to expand.
Okay.
It looks better and it's kind of like they stick together. And then while we're waiting for 30 minutes to expand, we're just gonna do our next step, which would be the brown sugar, the butter, and
The vanilla.
vanilla. We're just gonna put it all in this pot and we're just gonna melt it a little bit.
Now, do we throw all that in there or no?
Yes, we are.
Okay.
All of it is gonna go in here. So I'm just gonna throw everything that we just, all of that extra cinnamon, extra sugar. I'm just gonna put it in here. Just make sure that
Are you
it's
pressing
in.
it down or just?
I'm trying not to press it down. I'm just trying to make them all
Okay.
go together without pressing down too much because I wanted to expand, not just.
Got it.
Yeah. I'm not gonna throw this. I'm just gonna because this is caramel. It's
Yeah.
gonna make the caramel.
That will turn into caramel.
Oh yeah.
Oh. I love the smell already, so I
It
know
smells delicious.
it's gonna be good. Put all the trash
I
to
don't
the
like
side.
wasting ingredients.
Oh, well, throw it in there.
I love kind of like using everything. Cause this right here is gonna make a great caramel.
All right, so we use the whole half a cup that we had there, and everything you saw, it's all going in there, so nothing's going to waste.
So everything that is right there is gonna be like there for 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
So now what we're going to do is
Set your clocks.
all the other ingredients, we're gonna heat them up until we can see that the sugar has not melted between the butter, sugar, and everything. Like
So everything at the
like a
end
syrup.
should look like a syrup. Okay.
Yeah, it won't take long. It will maybe 5 minutes tops for the syrup to
Okay.
cook. So while we're doing this,
That will sit.
this sits.
All right.
Okay.
So let's throw it in there, and then
Put
we'll.
it here.
It just.
It's one. I packed it.
I can see just.
I
It didn't move.
No, it didn't. So then we put this beautiful salted butter, of course.
Salted butter.
Salted butter, and it will be 1.5 bars. That's one. You want to help me? Here you go.
I wanted to show him what does it say on the thing. Yeah, it does say it's salted butter.
The vanilla.
All right, vanilla. All right.
I love vanilla. So if I have a chance to put vanilla on something, I'll put it in.
Good. I like it
Okay.
too.
Let me put this in here.
Now, does this needs to be mixed in or?
Yeah, no, we're gonna cook this in the stove for probably medium high, maybe 4 to 5 minutes.
Just like
tops.
that, or do we?
No, we just like this. It's
Just like
just
that.
gonna incorporate. It's gonna
Okay.
get all together, and after that is all together, then we're just gonna pour it on top of this.
All right. So we'll see you in 5 minutes.
We'll
We're
see you
done.
soon.
All right. Bye.
You know what, guys? I wanted to let you know this. Right in the middle of me melting the sugar and the butter and the vanilla together, I decided I wanted to add some caramel. So now I smell caramel right on it. It's like, oh, look at this. Isn't that great?
Oh wow.
That looks great.
Can't wait to try it.
But you said you never tried this before.
Never.
Have you?
No. So it's gonna be. I'm a virgin.
Oh, I'm spoiling you.
Can't wait. It looks great.
And it smells, I wish you could smell this. Not you, my love.
Oh.
Them
Them.
over there.
Oh, okay.
I wish they could smell all of this. It's like cinnamon and caramel and vanilla. What I'm trying to do is just kind of like even it out.
Okay.
So while it's just sinking in and pouring in, whatever, we're just gonna let it marinate for another 30 minutes.
There you go.
Because I want it to like soak in all that vanilla and caramel and sugar and whatever it is that I put in there.
All right.
Oh, you already have the recipe.
So we'll be back in another 20 minutes.
Hi guys, we have waited already 30 minutes, so it has expanded as much as it can. I'm ready to put it back in the oven. Not back in the oven, but put it in the oven so that we can make it, cook it, and oh, it smells delicious. I wish you could smell it right now. So I'm ready. You ready?
Yeah, I'm
Let's
ready.
do it. So we're gonna put it in the oven for approximately 20 to 25 minutes, and we'll come back and check on it.
All right, so it's all done. That's what it looks like. Anything you want to tell us about that, Lady Fire?
Yes, we're gonna let it cool off for a little bit before we flip it into this container here. Not container, but you know, in the surface there.
How long is gonna cool off?
We'll say at least 20 minutes.
20 minutes. All right.
20 to 30 minutes.
So we're now ready to flip this. As you can see, it's nice and ready
Golden brown.
and golden brown. All right.
So do it like fast, and then you just kind of let it gravitate down, you know.
So you don't hit it over the top or anything?
No, I don't have to just let it do it.
Sure, it tastes good. Are we gonna have some right now? Or- No.
I want to pull it already.
All right, take a. You recommend it?
Yummy.
All right, guys. Well, until next time, we'll put the recipe at the end again. Have fun with it. Thank you, Lady Fire.
Oh my God.
Bye.
Bye.